6D, Exercise 1A, page 70.
What are your plans for the summer? I heard about a great volunteering program. What will we do there? The main activity is monitoring the penguins.
Exercises 1B and 3, page 70.
Hi, Tamir. What are your plans for the summer?
I'm not sure. I haven't thought about it yet.
Well, I heard about a great volunteering program in Australia. We could go there together.
That's a great idea. What is the program?
It's part of a project to protect the penguins living on Montague Island in New South Wales. They're in trouble because they're running out of space to live. Something needs to be done before it's too late.
I couldn't agree more. What will we do there?
The main activity is monitoring the penguins to make sure they're healthy and have enough food. We'll also help tag the penguins so that scientists can track their movements.
Why don't we ask Nurislam to come with us? I'm sure he'll like it.
I don't think so. He's going to London with his family for the summer.
Exercise 4, page 70.
Interesting. Awesome. Impressive. Climb. Every. Different. Foreign. Knife. Autumn. No. Island.
Take it easy.